This is Doc Mountain and welcome to my channel. If you've mined Pixelverse, then you also submitted Trust Wallet as the wallet through which you'd want to receive the tokens. What you do is you open Trust Wallet. So I've already opened it. Then you swipe up to get to where it reads Manage Crypto. Click there. And then you type Pix. Okay, so when we check around, we notice that we aren't seeing what we are looking for. So you need to click didn't see your crypto, import. Click there. And after you click there, leave whatever is on top. Leave whatever is on top. Click where it reads best. That's the contract address that I will leave in the description section. And you see that all these other things were actually in place. When you see this, just click import. And boom, you will now begin to see the address there. Okay, and you're good to go. You're good to go. It's been added. It's been added. And that's how that's why you're gonna see your tokens when they're forwarded.